With this delicious soup, I'm taking you all along with me to Ghana, Akwaba. This super delicious light soup is a must try for everyone. It is affordable, super delicious, and easy to prepare. Let's get it started. What I have here are the onions, ginger, and garlic I'll be using. I'm just going to pour it in a blender, add some water for easy blending, and blend till smooth. In the pot I'm just going to add the protein I'll be using. I'm using soft chicken, my people. Soup chicken is good for it, but where it is not available, get a soft chicken and make it this way. Add some salt into it. Add seasoning. Let me use this opportunity to say thank you so much to all you, my returning subscribers. Thank you so much for the comments, for your likes and your support. Thanks for enjoying my recipes. God bless you. What I've just added to it is basil. And after that, I'm just going to add the seasoning mixture. It's not a must. If you have it, use it. If you don't have it, use any other herbs you are used to for boiling this chicken. And this is our blended onions, garlic, and ginger mixture. Pour it into it and combine it well. So after that, all you need to get now is your tomato paste. We call this Derika back at home. Get your tomato paste and add it into the meat we're about to start boiling. We are using soft chicken, all right? And I'll be adding the tomatoes I'm using as well. After that, I'm going to add the onions I'll be using. Yes, this is super special and it is super special. So now cover it and bring it to a boil. You know, we are using soft chicken. It's a must try to check immediately it starts boiling. But for the vegetables, they are ready. The tomato is soft and onions as well are also ready. So I'm just going to mix the chicken a bit around, and I will take those vegetables out of the stock. All right, so let me take those vegetables, get your blender at this stage and put it direct into it. You don't need to dice your tomatoes or your onions. These are super soft and you are going to blend them so easily. Okay, that's what I'm doing just now. Please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up after watching up to the end. I bet it you are going to love this. So let's continue cooking. I've just mixed this all around together for the paste to mix together. Now cover and boil. I added some water into the vegetables and I blended it till super smooth. This is so easy. Now let's check this. After 5 minutes, lovelies, this is also done. Yes, this chicken is done. Look at it. But the aroma it's going to give you, my God, you will know from the stage how the soup is going to taste. First of all, take them out of the meat stock because they are soft chicken. If you're using hard chicken or beef, you don't need to take them out. But because soft chicken gets so soft easily, so take them out of the meat stock. Take a look at it. It looks yummy, right? You can taste it like this, but don't finish it though. So look at our super meat stock. It's not ordinary meat stock. We added paste into it, and it's now time to add that vegetable mix as well into it. At this stage, add enough water. This is called light soup, and this is where I want to tell you people, you can call this sakba soup as well. You can prepare this with little money and you will have a whole full pot of soup, and that tastes super delicious. So I'm adding chili flakes into it for the heat vibe, and I'll be adding more seasoning, Knorr seasoning, and some salt as well. So now It has to be well combined. Mix thoroughly. Look at it. So I'm just going to cover it and cook. It has been boiling and boiling. It's now time to mix together very well, and I'll be introducing back the chicken I removed at the beginning back into it. That's the chicken. We removed it for it not to get overcooked. So I now added the chicken back into it. What I have here is fried fish that I have in my fridge. That is croaker fish, and I also have this mackerel fish. They are both fried. I found them in my freezer and I added it into it. Mackerel is not bad at all, and that's also croaker fish. So if you have mackerel fish, I will advise everybody, please add 1 or 2 into the soup. You will love it, and if you're cooking this with fish, you will love it as well. So gently mix this, and now add habanero pepper for more heat vibe. It depends on how much you love heat. All right, so cover it and let it cook for about 5 minutes. Tra-la-la, lovely. This is a must try for everyone. I'm telling you. Let me say to the Ghanaians, Medas, thank you for this super recipe. Mix it gently and now get a spoon and taste for salt. All right? Taste for salt for you to be sure if you have to adjust the salt or it is okay the way it is. Taste for seasoning. Yummy, super yummy, lovelies. Are you going to rock yours? Let me show you the way I'm rocking mine. Can you see my swallow? I'm just going to add the super soup on it. If you love to eat your swallow with okra or ewedu, feel free to add this into the soup. I bet you will love it. Are you a lover of agidi? Try it with this soup, which we call eko. You will love it. I bet it. Try it with bread. It also goes well with rice. Lovelies, this is a must try for everyone. It saves money and it is super easy. Thank you so much for watching. Bye-bye.